Cavite Mutiny. On January 20, 1872, 200 Filipinos employed at the Cavite Arnesal staged a revolt against the Spanish government's voiding of their exemption from the payment of tributes. The Cavite Mutiny led to the persecution of prominent Filipinos. Secular priest Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, who would be collectively named Gomburza, were tagged as masterminds of the uprising. The priests were charged with treason and sedition by the Spanish military tribunal, a ruling believed to be part of conspiracy to stifle the growing popularity of Filipino secular priests and the threat they posed to the Spanish clergy. The Gomburza were publicly executed by garrote on the early morning of February 17, 1872 at Tagumpayan. The three martyr priests, Father Mariano Gomez, Chinese Filipino, born in Cavite. He held the most senior position of the three archbishops vicar in Cavite. He was truly nationalistic and accepted the death penalty calmly, as though it were his penance for being pro-Filipinos. Father Jose Burgos, a Spanish descent, born in the Philippines. He was a parish priest of the Manila Cathedral and had been known to be close to the liberal Governor General de la Torre. Father Jacinto Zamora was also Spanish born in the Philippines. He was the parish priest of Marikina and was known to be unfriendly to and would not countenance any arrogance or authoritative behavior from Spaniards coming from Spain.